We have always been explorers, creators, innovators. But there are times when we pause to look back and contemplate on how far we've come.
RCOs go for launch.
Those moments, every so often, come with the clarity of what must be done. Today's events are pressing us to explore uncharted paths and forge new solutions for the challenges ahead. Once again, we must answer the call to innovate. This is how we start. The Metalution. Just below our feet is the solution. Magnesium is one of the most abundant elements on Earth's surface, with the potential to change manufacturing in North America as we know it. Until now, magnesium production has been an energy-intensive and toxic process. Domestically, it wasn't worth it to poison our communities. And with cheap supply from foreign competitors, we lost our incentive to innovate. Today, our country's production has fallen below 5% of the global market supply. Our factories closed while we let other nations continue to pollute and profit. No longer can we afford to live off other countries' cheap products and poor labor standards that challenge our values and jeopardize our independence. At Western Magnesium, our proprietary technology will reestablish our market dominance while maintaining our national values and driving a revolution in magnesium. Not only do we aim to be the greenest magnesium producer, we will be the cleanest metal producer on the planet. Our factories will be close to zero emissions and fully scalable, meeting the needs of any community across the continent. When we're strong at home, we're strong enough to lead the world. Magnesium is the super metal. It's abundant, lighter than aluminum, and can replace steel. We envision a world built with lightweight, recyclable green technology, one that comes with no limitations, from cars to supercomputers, from architecture to appliances, from railways to rockets. The possibilities of magnesium metal are boundless, not only for what we make, but for what we make of ourselves. The clean magnesium we produce will strengthen communities and families by creating jobs across this country, in the heart of our cities to the rural heartland. Together, we have arrived at the threshold of what some call the Fourth Industrial Revolution, a moment in our history which will come to define an era of discovery and technological advancement. We are positioned to not only witness these changes, but to build them. What we do now will forge our legacy, yours and ours together. Since its inception, our country has relied on visionaries to see what others cannot, to set in motion the changes which the world will come to follow. We have the material, the momentum, and the groundbreaking technology. Together, we can seize the moment. We foresee a faster, lighter, stronger, and safer future. One where we not only set the bar, but create it, and once again restore our independence and security. A future that reminds us of who we were, who we are. A future that brings us back. Because together, we are the explorers, the creators, the innovators. We are revolutionaries. And the Metalution begins with us. We are Western Magnesium.